I think it's so cute. I love it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. First things first, if you're not subscribed, why? If you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, why? You should go and do that. But welcome back. Today we're going to be installing this fabulous wig. Don't know good? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I unboxed and installed it. Hey y'all, so today we have the Sensationnel Vice Unit 8. It's a synthetic HD lace wig. So this is the wig and the parting. I don't know what length it is, but it's pretty long. I think it was like 30. It has only one comb at the back, so I'm just gonna tighten it up first. Make sure that it like fits. So I'm using Ghost Bond XL. It's formulated for like oily scalps, heavy perspiration, and high humidity. The thing I love about Sensationnel wigs is that they're super affordable, but they're still gonna give you that cute look that you're going for without breaking the bank like human hair wigs would. Just using my fan and dry glue. And while it's drying, I'm gonna put some powder makeup inside of the wig on the lace because I don't want none of this hair to like get stuck in the glue. I'm going to spray it down. That part to be perfectly centered. And I'm gonna put my band on. Then I'm gonna put my scarf on just to make sure that it's super secure. Okay, so you're gonna take this band off. So I'm about to cut the lace, and I'm just gonna do it in sections. So I'm gonna cut it right here and right here, and then you know what I'm gonna eat. And then I got the Even Wonder Lace adhesive spray, and I'm spraying it. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I'm about to finish this wig up. I'm gonna put the front a little bit. This is what we got. I think it's so cute. I love it. Super cute, and it was under $50. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out some of my other videos. Bye.